Welcome back to Channel Name. Today we're sitting down to talk about an absolute steal, the Samsung 65-inch Class OLED. Now, I know what you're thinking, $1,800 is a pretty penny for a TV. But trust me, folks, this one's worth every single cent. Let's start with the star of the show, the OLED technology. What does that even mean? Simply put, it means pure blacks, bright whites, and Pantone-validated colors. That sounds fancy, but think about it like this. When you watch a movie or play a game on an OLED TV, every color is accurate and vibrant. No washed-out images here. It's like looking at the real thing. And then there's the glare-free experience. This one's a game-changer for anyone who likes to watch their favorite shows in a bright living room. The anti-glare technology makes sure you can see every detail, no matter how much light is coming from outside. No more sacrificing picture quality because of external factors. This TV has got your back. But what really sets the Samsung 65-inch Class OLED apart is its HDR Pro capabilities. This means an almost infinite amount of brightness and dramatic detail across a wide range of colors. Imagine watching a sunset on a sunny day, with every hue and shade perfectly represented on screen. It's breathtaking, folks. Now let's talk about gaming. The Motion Xcelerator 144Hz feature is all the rage right now, and for good reason. It delivers ultra-smooth motion and virtually no lag or blur. You'll be completely immersed in your favorite games, with top-speed visuals that make every action look crisp and real. But here's the thing, depth matters too. The Real Depth Enhancer creates an immersive experience by mirroring how our eyes process depth in real life. It makes you feel like you're right there in the middle of whatever scene is unfolding on screen. Whether it's a sweeping cinematic landscape or a cozy living room, this feature transports you to another world. And then there's sound. Oh, the sound. The Samsung 65-inch Class OLED features built-in Dolby Atmos, which will blow your mind with its 3D audio capabilities. When cars speed across the screen, the sound moves right along with them, creating an almost tangible sense of realism. It's like being inside the action. But what really takes this TV to the next level is its AI-powered features. The 4K AI upscaling capability transforms content into incredibly sharp resolution, no matter the original source. Whether you're streaming a movie, watching live sports, or looking back at home videos, every moment looks stunning. The Samsung Tizen OS makes it easy to access your favorite apps and endless content with just a few clicks. And with voice assistants built right in, you can get to everything you need without lifting a finger. It's like having your own personal TV concierge. So there you have it, the Samsung 65-inch Class OLED is an absolute steal at $1,800. With its stunning OLED technology, glare-free experience, HDR Pro capabilities, and unbeatable gaming performance, this TV has something for everyone. If you're in the market for a new TV that will blow your mind every time you turn it on, look no further. Want to check out the best price for this incredible TV? Click the link below to get started. Trust me, you won't regret it.